Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by launching Logic Pro and creating a new project. Pick a template only if it matches your goal, otherwise choose Empty Project so you stay flexible. Once done, set the sample rate and buffer size in preferences to balance quality and latency, lower buffers for recording, higher for mixing. Make sure to enable the click and set tempo, then add an audio track for vocals or guitars and a software instrument track for MIDI. This gets you recording ready fast. You now record and build parts, arm the appropriate tracks, enable input monitoring to hear performance, and watch levels so peaks sit near -6 dB to avoid clipping. Once you have multiple passes, use cycle mode to loop sections and create take folders. Comp best phrases into a single clean track. For MIDI, quantize lightly to preserve feel. For audio, use flex time to tighten timing without altering pitch. Then organize regions on separate lanes to keep the session clear. You finish by shaping tones and balance. Place subtractive EQ first to remove problem frequencies, add gentle compression to control dynamics, and route ambience to buses so effects sit together. Once levels and automation feel right, check the mix in mono and on different speakers to confirm translation. When ready, use bounce to disk with 24-bit PCM or export stems for collaborators. If you hear clicks, ensure no overlapping regions or mismatched sample rates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.